Well, my brother and I are going to begin painting here right away. We're going to go way up these ladders, as you can see here, and we're going to be painting up here near the top of the building. So it's going to be good to have some paint on this thing. After I get the paint on the top of the windows, then I can go ahead and get my sign up. My sign that I made this past winter. So that's going to be kind of cool. So here we go. Let's watch Chuck go up the ladder. Chuck was a painter for probably 30 years out in Oklahoma. He had his own company out there. And he's an old retired guy like myself now, so here we are doing this sort of thing at this age. But at least we can still get up and down the ladder. Some guys can't do this at our age, so I feel lucky. Chuck was nice enough to come up and help me with this. He lost his wife recently, and he's kind of looking for some things to do. So what could be better than two brothers working in old age on a huge project like this? Scraped up there. Got a lot of loose paint off it. Get a fresh coat of paint on that. We're going to go back, not in a wake, the way it's been for probably 100 years. We found a patch of paint in the back of the building, way up high in a peak, and we're going to paint it the same way it was originally in the 1850s and 60s. It's going to be kind of cool to do that. No, I don't think so, Chuck. Let's just leave it. Okay? Yeah, let's just leave it.